Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I'll show you how to access UEFI Firmware Settings from Windows. So sit back, relax and let's dive into the world of knowledge and excitement together. Before attempting any potential fix, you need to verify that your PC's motherboard is equipped to support UEFI. If your PC is an older model, the chances are that UEFI firmware settings are unavailable. To access the UEFI firmware setting from Windows, follow these steps. Hold the Shift key and then select Restart from the power options. Our computer will now restart and enter the advanced setup mode. You have to click on Troubleshoot option. Now, some systems will give you the UEFI firmware setting on the screen. Some systems may require you to choose an advanced option. If you see the UEFI firmware settings options well, click on it. Otherwise, click the advanced option. It will notify that you will have to restart in order to change any UEFI firmware settings. Click on the Restart button. Your system will restart now, and when it boots again, you'll find yourself in the BIOS UEFI settings interface. That's it. This is what you need to do to access UEFI firmware settings in Windows. Thank you for watching our YouTube video. We hope that you enjoyed the content and found it both informative and engaging. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos like this one. Until next time, keep learning, growing, and spreading positivity.